as our Avalanche Youth Skater for the game on November 30th against the Chicago Blackhawks. Thank you!
It's not me, buddy. It's all you.
As part of this special recognition, we will provide your family with 4 complimentary lower-level tickets to the game. Ryan needs to bring his full gear to wear and sticks for when he goes on the ice with the Avs before the national anthem. Because we will be near the Avalanche locker room, we respectfully ask that no one wear opposing team attire. Please let us know if you have any questions. Regards, Connor. Thank you so much.
It's not me, dude. You got nominated. Somebody nominated you.
Ooh.
I don't know. And then Miss Lindsay, she nominated you also.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's what happens for being a good dude, bud. You happy?
Yeah.
Good.
I'll get your gloves, I promise.
Thank you very much.
Still an amazing opportunity for us all. Oh, that's awesome. That's great. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the colors for tonight's anthem is the Brighton Fire Department. Please remain standing, kindly remove your caps, and join us for the singing of the Star Spangled Banner, as performed this evening by Jake Schroeder.
What so proudly we hailed, and that's why broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red the bombs were singing, carrying proof through the night that our flag was still. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave of the free and the home of the
Hi, Mr. Connor. It's Ryan. I just wanted to thank you so much for letting me do the youth skater during the national anthem. It was really fun, and I'm very thankful. So thank you so much. Merry Christmas.